Hey and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to create this Dude Perfect logo inside Microsoft PowerPoint. So the left one is an image, the right one is the logo created inside PowerPoint. So let's get started. I will start with a blank presentation. I already have this logo in here. I will select format, colors, and I will select this gray preset. That will cause that the image will fade out a little bit just so we can clearly see what we are drawing. And usually when I'm tracing those kinds of logos, I try to come up with some shapes which are in here, kind of resembling the shape, then merging or subtracting them together. This time I will do it a little bit different way, and I will use this Freeform Shape tool. So I will zoom in as much as I can, and I can only zoom to one letter, so it's either the D or the P letter. I will zoom into P letter, and I will select Insert, Shapes, Freeform Shape tool. And I will draw it in a way that I will just click where the vertices should be. So I will start around here. This is like the straight line, so I will click in here. Here will be like a maximum point of the curve, so I will click in here. Same here, this is the next vertex, this is the straight line. There will be the maximum point for the curve. And here is the start of the straight line, straight line, straight line, and this is as well a straight line, so that's easy. Now I cannot see anything, so what I will do, I will select shape fill, more fill colors, and I will increase the transparency to maybe like, I don't know, 60%. I can zoom in even more because those straight lines, they are perfectly fine. I don't probably need to make any adjustments to those. I just need to make sure that this right part is kind of curved. So I will select, right click the shape and select edit points. And this one should be the smooth point as well as this one. This one should be smooth point as well. So I will start around here. I believe that this should be a smooth point as well, but it should be kind of matching the left line like this. And this should be, of course, matching the left line as well. For this one, I will try to make it a little bit wider, but of course it also depends on this handle. So if I change the handle like this, I probably don't need to make this that big. And I'm pretty happy with the result of this right curve. So I can move to this one. I will make sure that this point is aligned with the curve. This one is maybe a little bit more rounded, but again it depends also on this handle, which I will move to match the curve. And you can see it goes too much to the top, so I still have to move this point a little bit downwards, which may screw up some handles, but hopefully it will not. Seems like it didn't. And that's almost it. Seems like that the left lines, or the left line, is a little bit too much to the left, so I will again select edit points, and I may move it more to the right, and you can see it kind of changed all the handles, which is very unfortunate, but you know, that's how it works in PowerPoint and Word. We cannot do anything with that. And I will also move this one more to the right like this. Okay, and I'm pretty happy with the shape. So what I can do is I can just copy and paste it, or just drag it with the Control key. Then I will rotate it by 180 degrees by holding the Shift key on my keyboard and dragging the rotation handle. Align it properly with the left letter, which is the letter D. I will zoom out and move all those two letters to the right side, move the original logo to the left side. I will select Format, Reset Picture, but we already know that the color is black, so for both of those shapes I will set the fill to be black, but I have to still adjust the transparency to be set to 0%, so no transparency, and the outline should be set to no outline. And that's it. That's how you create the Dude Perfect logo in Microsoft PowerPoint in almost no time. Thanks for watching.